It's a big hello from Trident at Nariman Point in Mumbai, and I was actually drawing out the places I should be visiting, and one of the places that was primarily up in my list was being over here. And you know what the best part about this place is? That we have got a lovely room around at 33rd floor, quite really at high. And another best part about this room adds up the glory of its view. And you know what, let me first show you the view and then take you around how the room actually looks like. Okay, let me just show you the view outside the room. So there's a blindfold behind this, but they have added some curtains up to the shelf that you need to uncover manually. And yeah, so are we ready for the view? Here it goes. Lovely view that you get outside. It's an ocean view. You get to see the whole skyscrapers and the entire skyline of Mumbai. And not just that, if you just tilt it a little, you get to see the entire people out sitting over there.
Stumbling home, we don't know where we're going.
And I'm sure this view late at night is going to be nothing less than a dream. Trust me, it's not going to be overhyped. Let me give you a quick room tour, how the room looks like. So this is kind of a space where you can just sit and chill and have your coffee. Besides it is a huge couch, a table, and over here is a telephone, lamp, just the very basic things. One thing that I found is they have a separate space for this medical waste things. Diaries, remote, pen, painting, the very basic thing. Okay, so up onto this side they have a separate working desk with your switches and the lamp and a comfortable chair. Most of the time I have seen a mesh chair, but this is nice leather good chair with, you know, proper cushioning and everything. Here they have given a television, and exactly below it are some drawers, and they have given 2 apples, a knife and an extra plate to have. I believe it's complimentary, not really sure. We have our luggage here, a beautiful painting right here, and I'll take you to the other part of the room. It's a different screen, it's a different space where we are going to have our coffee section. I'll open up the doors and let you know. Come. Okay, once you enter into the passage, inside the passage you get these cupboards. Let me open these cupboards. So once you open these cupboards, you have a locker here and the very basic tea coffee making facilities, the sachets, and yes, you also have a mini bar. And now here's the washroom. You have the transparent glass over here. You can see the exact view outside your window there, and this is the frame, the glass. It is movable, entire 360. Lovely. And then there's only one sink here, the mirror. Oh, they have given 2 bathrobes, and here's your bathtub area. A little small I felt, but yeah, kind of good, but still I felt it's a little small in size. And best part is, if you just don't want to have a see-through while you are into the washroom, you can also make it close. Like here's a privacy blind, and you can simply click on the blind and it just goes down. Yeah, There you go. It just covers the entire area for your privacy. Let me show you how it looks from outside. It completely closes down here, makes it opaque. Okay, now that's how it looks from outside. Closed completely. Alright, so that was all about the quick room tour of this place at Trident, and I'm sure you loved watching this. I'll also make a separate video about the breakfast that is inclusive of this package, so do not forget to also watch that. If you did loved watching this video, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.